Good morning, children. Today topic is factors and multiples. Yes, first what do you mean by factors? Factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Yes, so a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So for example, we see that. So 6. Yes, so we can find the factors of 6. So what are the factors of 6? So means a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So whatever the number, so from first 1 onwards we are taking. So 1 is divided by, or 6 divided by 1. Yes, so this is the divisor, this is the dividend. No, so 6 divided by 1. So whatever the remainder should be 0. Yes, so this is the 1 is the one of the divisor. Divisor in the sense, so divide with the remainder 0. Exactly we can divide it. So now 1 is that one of the factor of 6. Now next one is that 2. Yes, so 2 is the factor of 6 or not, let me see that. Yes, so 2 3 is a 6. So remainder is 0. So 2 is an exact divisor of 6. So 2 is one of the factor. Yes, so 2 3 is we are saying no. So even 3 2s also like that. So 3 also one of the factor. Now 4 is divide that 6 without leaving a remainder. No. So 4 is not a factor. So then check that 5. 5 is a divisor of 6. No. So the next one is that 6. Yes, so what are the factors of 6? 1 2 3 6. Okay, so here we should find the factors, we should write as a two ways. One is the multiplication method, another one is the division method. Yes, children. Here now I can show that multiplication method and division method of that factor, finding the factor of 6. Yes, now first multiplication method. Yes, so this is an what here which symbol we are using, that multiplication. So 1 into 6, 6. So then 2 3, 2 into 3, 6. So 3 into 2, 6. Then 6 into 1, 6. So these all are the factors of 6. Yes, children. So now coming to the division. So 6 divided by 1. So what is that? Without leaving a remainder. Yes, what is that? 6. So now 6 divided by 2 is a 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So these all are the factors of 6 of using the division method. So this is the multiplication and this is the division method of finding the factors of 6. So whatever the number you can find it like that only. Yes, now 2 3, these two are the factors of 6, and 3 2. Yes, so these two are the factors of 6. Yes, children, now finding the factors is just now we learn now highest common factor. Let me see that. So highest common factor, so nothing but in short form we are writing as an HCF. So highest common factor. Yes, so first we should find the factor. So then after common factor. So given the numbers, finding the factor, what are the common, that you should write common factor. So in that common factor, so what is the highest? So this is a highest common factor. Let me see the two examples. So how to find that highest common factor? Yes, now let me see that one example, 12 and 15. Yes, so find the highest common factor of 12 and 15. Yes, children, so highest common factor we should find for 12 and 15. Yes, so what is the first step? First we should find the factors of 12, or you should write the factors of 12 and 15. So what are the factors of 12? So whatever it is, that 1 is the factor of each and every number. Yes, so what is that? 1 is the factor of each and every number. So what is that? 1 into 12, using that multiplication method we are writing. Yes, so 1 into 12. Yes, children, so here 1 you should write, then 12 you should write. Yes, so then after 2. Check that 2. Okay. Yes, 2 table where 12 will come? Yes, 2, and here you should write as an 6. So 2 6 are 12. So 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Yes, so then 2 after, then coming to the 3. So 3 4s are. Yes, so 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. So then 5 table, 12 is there? No. Then 5 after 6. Yes, so 6 already came, no, so no need to write that. Already the 3 after next number already came, no. So 1 2 3 4 6 12. So these all are the factors of 12, and then next one is that same like that only we should write as that 15 factors. 1 and here 15. Yes, so 1 into 15 is 15. So next 2. So check the 2. So in 2 table 15 is there. So for like that you can check as the divisibility rules. No? Yes. So there is 2 is not a factor of 15. Why? Because here what is the ones place? 5. Yes. So 5. So in the ones place even number is there. So then only 2 is a factor. But here ones place 5 will be there. Yes children. So that's why 15 is a not. Yes, 2 is a not a factor of 15. So then check the 3. 3 table 15 will be there. Yes. So 3 5 is a 15. Yes children. Then 4 no. So then after 5 already is there. No. So 1 3 5 15. So now here what are the common factors you should write. So what are the common factors? 1 and next 2 is there here. 2 here 12 will, okay, it is the factor of 12, but 2 is not a factor of 15. No. So now 2 is not a common factor. Then 3. Yes, so write the 3. So then 4 is not there here, but here 5 is not there. 6 12 15. So what are the highest common factors? 1 and 3. Here highest common factor is highest in the sense given the common factor which one is the greatest or biggest. So what is that 1 and 3 biggest factor? 3. So highest common factor is 3. So 3 is the highest common factor of 12 and 15. Yes children. Now let me see that one more example of highest common factor. Yes children, now let me see that one more example. So 18 and 24. So find the highest common factor. Yes, first what is that first step? First we should write that factors of 18. So what are the factors of 18? 1. So just now I will learn now. So 1 is the common factor of any number and 18. So 1 into 18. So 1 and next 2 9s are 18. Then 3 6 are 18. So these all are the factors of 18. So then next one is the 24. Yes, so 1 24s are, then 2 12s are, 3 8s are, 4 6 are. So these all are the factors of 24. So what is the next step? So common factor. So what are the common factors here? 1. Yes, so then after 2, then 3, then 6. Any common factor is there? No. So 1, 2, 3, 6. So these all are the common factors. Now given that common factor, okay, now next in that common factor, what is the highest common factor? 1 2 3 6. So what is the greatest number here? 6. So now 6 is the highest common factor of 18 and 24. Yes children. So this is that way of finding the highest common factor. Yes, so one more methods also is there using that prime factorization method, division method. So that is the learning next classes. Okay. Now next one is that multiple. What is a multiple? A number is said to be multiple of its factors. A number is said to be multiple of its factors. So nothing but, so multiple nothing but table. So we already learned the table, no? So here 2 3s are 6. Yes, so 2 and 3 are the factors of 6 we learned now. Now 6 is the multiple. Yes children, so 6 is the multiple and 2 and 3 is the factors of 6. So now 6 is the multiple. So this is a number is said to be multiple of its factors. Yes children, now here same 6 only we are taking that. Now we are finding that multiples of 6. So nothing but here 6 table. So here multiples are not start from 1. 6 ones are 6 itself it can start. Yes, so 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. Yes, these all are the multiples of 6. So nothing but 6 table. Multiple nothing but table. So here 6. So multiples are start from itself but factors are start from 1. Yes, end with itself but here end with infinity. Yes children, so multiples are uncountable. So infinity. Yes, so 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 6 6 are 6 sevens are 6 eights are 6 nines are 6 tens are up to dash 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 infinity. So why we are saying that infinity means 6 is multiple is that any number. Yes, 6 11s are 12s are 13s are whatever it is. So that's why we are writing as an infinity. So these all are that multiples of 6. Yes, now let me see that one more number. Now one more number is the 12. So these all are the 12 multiples. So nothing but 12 table, 12 ones are, 12 twos are, 12 threes are, 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, 7s are, 8 and up to infinity. Yes, so here 6 and 12 we wrote no. Now, so LCM we should find. LCM nothing but least common multiple. So least common multiple. Here just now we wrote that 6 multiples and 12 multiples no. So what is the next step? Common multiples we should write. So here given that 6 and 12 multiples. So what are the common multiples? 12 and then after 24 and then next 36. Next what is that? 48. So like that. So just now we are learning that multiples are infinity. Yes, so even that common multiples also like that only it will come. Here least common multiple, least in the sense smallest common multiple. Given that 12, 24, 36, 48 up to infinity we are writing no. So in that what is the least multiple? 12. Yes, so LCM is 12. 12 is that least LCM of 6 and 12. Yes, 6 and 12 LCM is 12. Yes, children. So this is that finding that LCM. Yes, children. I hope you all are understand. Now I will give the some questions to find that LCM and HCF. You can solve it. Yes, thank you.